Hello students, today we will learn the important topic in biochemistry, that is ketone body metabolism. As you know, these ketone bodies, they are synthesized by the liver and they are used as energy source by the extrahepatic tissues. Now there are three types of ketone bodies. One is beta hydroxy butyrate. Second one is acetoacetate, and third one is acetone. Now these three ketone bodies, out of this acetoacetate, it's called as a primary ketone body, while beta hydroxybutyrate and acetone, they are called as a secondary ketone body. Now why it is called a primary ketone body? Because it is synthesized first, and from this acetoacetate, acetone and beta hydroxybutyrate, they are synthesized. Now these ketone bodies, they are formed in the liver and they are utilized by the extrahepatic tissues like brain, skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and other tissues of the body. Now if you see the structure of this, the acetone, then acetoacetate, and beta hydroxy butyrate. Now if you see this in structure, in acetone and acetoacetate, there are ketone bodies. These are true ketone bodies because there is a ketone group here, while beta hydroxybutyrate, there is a hydroxyl group in a second carbon, that is called as a beta carbon. Now how this synthesis, we will study these ketone bodies in two phases. First is the synthesis. As I told you, the ketone bodies, they are synthesized in the liver, particularly mitochondria, and these ketone bodies are synthesized when there is a deficiency of particularly glucose, or blood level of glucose comes down, so body utilize the another energy source, that is fatty acid, for the as an energy source for the production of ATPs. Now this, for the excessive breakdown of fatty acid, the molecule of acetyl coenzyme A, it is formed. So these ketone bodies, they are synthesized by the acetyl coenzyme A. So two molecule of acetyl coenzyme A, they condense together to form acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Now this acetoacetyl coenzyme A, there is a condensation reaction and it is catalyzed by the enzyme thiolase. Now once this acetoacetyl coenzyme A is formed, this is further one more acetyl coenzyme A is added in this and will get HMG coenzyme A. This particular reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme called HMG coenzyme A synthase. Okay, so this is very important enzyme as it is a rate limiting enzyme in the synthesis of ketone bodies. HMG coenzyme A is nothing but This is beta hydroxy, beta methyl butyryl coenzyme A, beta hydroxy, that is, or 3 hydroxy 3 methyl butyryl coenzyme A, and this particular HMG coenzyme A is now cleaved. Cleavage of this molecule takes place by the enzyme HMG coenzyme A lyase, and we will get a 2 molecule of this thing, acetate and acetyl coenzyme A. So this acetoacetate is nothing but our primary ketone body is formed. Right? It's the first ketone body which is formed. Right? And of this first ketone bodies, another 2 ketone bodies, they are synthesized. Right? Now from acetoacetate, the acetone is formed or synthesized by method of decarboxylation. That is, one molecule of carbon dioxide removed from this acetoacetate. Right? And one more ketone body, that is beta hydroxy butyrate, which is formed by reduction of acetoacetate. So where we need NADH plus H plus as a reducing equivalent to form NAD plus. Right? So this is your most important ketone bodies, most abundant ketone bodies, that is beta hydroxy butyrate. And acetone, it is 2 ketone bodies, but it is not used as an energy source. So out of these 3 ketone bodies, that's acetoacetate, beta hydroxy butyrate, and acetone, acetoacetate and acetone, they are called as true ketone bodies because they contain keto group. This is keto group. But while beta hydroxy butyrate is not a true ketone bodies because it doesn't contain keto group. But acetoacetate and beta hydroxy butyrate, they are used as a energy source, while acetone cannot be metabolized. It is just exhale out through the lungs. Right? So this is about the ketone bodies synthesis. Now will come how these ketone bodies, they are utilized by the utilization of ketone bodies. Now utilization of ketone bodies is done by the extrahepatic tissue, that is other than the liver. So hepatic cells or liver and RBCs, they cannot utilize the ketone bodies. RBC does not contain the mitochondria, and hepatic cell does not contain the enzyme which is required for the utilization of ketone bodies, that we'll discuss later. But these 2 tissues, they cannot use ketone bodies, while other tissues of the body like brain, heart muscle, skeletal muscle, they use as a ketone bodies as a energy source. Right? Now for the utilization of ketone bodies, whatever the beta hydroxy butyrate which is formed from the acetoacetate we have seen just now. Now this beta hydroxy butyrate is oxidized. Utilization of ketone bodies means oxidation for the energy. So beta hydroxy butyrate is oxidized to acetoacetate, isn't it? So during formation of acetoacetate to beta hydroxy butyrate, we have seen that there is a reduction, or NADH is used for this, where it is oxidized. So here NAD is used and converted into NADH plus H plus. What? This particular reaction is catalyzed by beta hydroxy butyrate dehydrogenase enzyme, beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase, because there is a oxidation and removal of hydrogen. Now this acetate which is formed, which is to be converted into acetyl coenzyme A, because as you know the acetyl coenzyme A is used, which enters into the TCA cycle, and we can oxidize it in the TCA cycle. So this coenzyme A is added in this by the succinyl coenzyme A, and this succinyl coenzyme A is converted to succinate. Now this succinyl coenzyme A is, as you know, it is a TCA cycle intermediate. TCA cycle intermediate. Okay, understood? So this acetoacetyl convert to acetyl coenzyme A plus, that is 2 molecule of acetyl coenzyme A. Right? Now this particular reaction is catalyzed by enzyme thiophorase, or this enzyme is also known as acetoacetate coenzyme succinyl coenzyme transferase. Okay, so this enzyme is to just transfer the coenzyme A to acetoacetate. That's why it is called as a acetoacetate coenzyme A succinyl coenzyme transferase. Right? Now from this acetoacetyl, or this is acetyl coenzyme A, 2 molecules which are formed, they enters into TCA cycle, and where we'll get a NADH, FADH2, which enter into electron transport chain, and we will get ATP. Okay, from that we will get ATPs. So this way they are utilized, the ketone bodies, they are utilized by the extrahepatic tissue, and as a source of energy when there is a deficiency of primary energy source, that is carbohydrate. So please remember that the ketone bodies, they are a source of energy for the brain, and particularly cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, but they cannot be utilized by the hepatic cells or liver or RBCs. Now the liver, the enzyme thiophorase is deficient, or it is absent. So the acetoacetate cannot be converted into acetyl coenzyme A, which further oxidized in the TCA cycle. So that's why it is these ketone bodies cannot be utilized by the liver and the RBCs. So that you should remember. So here the important thing is that the if you see this synthesis and utilization of ketone bodies, first is important is that these three ketone bodies are acetone, acetoacetate, beta hydroxybutyrate. Out of these 3 ketone bodies, acetone and acetoacetate, they are called as true ketone bodies because they contain a keto group. Second, beta hydroxybutyrate, it is a most important ketone bodies, or abundant ketone bodies you can say, and it is used as a source of energy, particularly for the for formation of ATPs. While acetone, it is cannot be metabolized, and it is just exhaled out by the through the lungs. Now what is normal concentration? If you see what is the normal concentration of ketone bodies, which is normally it is synthesized in the liver, it is around, it is always less than 1 milligram per deciliter. That is a concentration of ketone bodies in blood. Now its concentration increases during certain clinical condition. You can say the ketone bodies concentration of ketone bodies, they are increases in the clinical condition, or particularly when we are seeing there is a carbohydrate deficiency, deprivation of the carbohydrate or glucose, there is hypoglycemia, or when you can say that it is the clinical condition in that is diabetes mellitus is a clinical condition where the ketone bodies they are formed, that their level increases because in diabetes mellitus, because of insulin deficiency, the glucose cannot be used as a primary source, cannot be utilized by the tissues. So secondary source, that is a fatty acid oxidation, is taken over by the body, and the tissue, particularly brain, they skeletal muscle, they utilize the ketone bodies. So the clinical condition like diabetes mellitus and starvation, the ketone bodies level increases. So the ketone bodies level goes above 100, 200, 300. So as the starvation or the this condition increases. So this is about synthesis and utilization of the ketone bodies by the extrahepatic tissues.